Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pellet smoker brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Z Grills ZPG 450 wood pellet grill and smoker. You will stop your hunt for the best pellet smokers when you finish reading about this upgraded model. It is the ultimate 8-in-1 barbecue wood pellet grill. You can use it for baking, grilling, braising, smoking, barbecue, char grilling, searing, and roasting. In addition, its temperature ranges between 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, making it highly versatile. It is designed for small families as its cooking chamber is 452 square inches. Therefore, it is not suitable for large gatherings, but it is best to prepare a mouth-watering meal with natural flavors for your small family. In addition, the pellet hopper capacity is only 15 pounds, so you don't waste pellets once you finish cooking. This pellet smoker is constructed to last. It is made with sturdy steel with a high powder coating finish that makes it long-lasting and prevents rust. Number 2. Our second best pick is Green Mountain Davy Crockett wood pellet grill. It had another one among the best pellet grills. Their Davy Crockett is the best portable grill that you can use at home. Its small size makes it suitable to carry with you when you are going on a road trip. In addition, it has a foldable design that makes it easy to store and carry, making it the best portable pellet grill. Its Davy Crockett is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to your mobile devices to control it easily. With this connection, you can check the temperature range and set it as you desire without going near the device. The best thing is that it can also notify you when the temperature is dropping. It also has a thermal sensor that keeps monitoring grill temperatures to ensure it is constant. Its approximate dimensions are 30 by 15 by 22 inches and weighs 68 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Camp Chef Smoke Pro DLX pellet grill and smoker. It makes some of the best pellet smokers, and this Smoke Pro DLX is not an exception. It features 2 meat probes, giving you control over the temperatures of your food, and an easy digital display that lets you know what's happening under the grill lid. Every time you cook, the burned pellets produce ashes, which you need to clean to flush the burner and dispose of. To make that easier for you, all you have to do when using this pellet smoker is pull a knob, and the ashes will drop from the burn cup into a removable cup. So you can clean out the ashes easily. The pellet hopper capacity is 18 pounds. This pellet grill and smoker feature a PID controller for 160–500 degrees Fahrenheit consistent temperatures. Smoke settings are also adjustable, from 1 to 10, making it easy to customize. The cooking area is big enough. The rack is 573 square inches. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Traeger Grills Pro Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you don't believe that food cooked with wood tastes better, try this pellet grill. It is versatile cooking equipment that allows you to hot and fast cook or low and slow cook. It offers 6 cooking options, including grilling, baking, smoking, braising, barbecue, and roasting food to improve the taste and make a unique dish. It also has a precision temperature control that maintains a plus or minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control for precision grilling. This unit is among the best pellet smokers as it is durable, and once you buy it, it will serve you for a lifetime. It is constructed with powerful steel with a durable powder coat finish. The grill grates are made of porcelain that is easy to clean. The wheels are also all-terrain, so do not worry if you use them in a place with rough terrain, it can stand it all. Are you planning to host a large group of people? Don't worry. This pellet grill smoker has a large cooking capacity to cook a large quantity of food at once. It has 884 square inches of cooking space. It also comes with a large pellet hopper. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Camp Chef Woodwind Pellet Grill and Smoker. This Woodwind pellet grill is another great wood pellet that allows you to carry a clean out by removing the burned ashes after every cook. It features a new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth PID controller that automatically maintains the cooking temperatures with 4 meat probes. The Sear box gets up to 900 F. Temperatures range between 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making this pellet grill suitable for slow smoking to grilling. The slide and grill technology allows for direct flame cooking with high temperatures of up to 650 F. Whichever smoke level you want, you got it. With settings from 1 to 10, you can change your smoking levels as per your preference. It has about 1,236 square inches of cooking space. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.